Hello everyone, welcome to SSS UC Sir, the free education channel for students from class 1 to plus 3. Dear students, today we are going to learn how to write English essay and what are the important topics in essays. And one of the essay we will discuss today. And these essays, what we will read and write in this session are for classes 6 to 10. You learn these essays by heart and revise it, practice it. One among these essays, what I will provide you, teach you in the essay column, will helpful to you write your answer in the 10th board exam, also in your class 6 to 9 school exam. And among these essay, one or two essay I think must come, so learn it by heart. Today we will start our first essay writing on the topic the newspaper. And to write the essay about the newspaper, there are 10 points you have to remember. First one is what it is. Then second point is its varieties. Third point is what it publishes. Fourth point is which items you like to read. Fifth point is when you read it. Sixth point is what is your favorite newspaper. Seventh point is how it helps you. Eighth point is what are the merits of newspaper. Ninth number point is what are the demerits of newspaper. And the 10th number point is the conclusion. So children, this 10 point you remember, it will be more easier for you to write the essay on the topic the newspaper. The first point is newspaper, what it is. Newspaper is a publication form of mass communication and mass media. It is also known as print media. The newspaper are either national or regional. The newspapers bear a name such as the Indian Express, the Samaj, the Times of India, the Dharitri, again many more. The next point is its varieties. We find many kinds of newspapers. Some of them are usually issued daily, weekly, fortnightly, or at other regular times. The daily newspapers are very popular among readers. Newspapers are published in many languages such as English, Hindi, Odia, Telugu, Tamil, etc. The next point is what it publishes. It provides news, views, features, and other information of public interest. It often carries advertising. It publishes job opportunities. It gives us information about the train and air timings. It also provides us daily weather report. Humorous talks, stories, pictures, puzzles, poems, cartoons also appear in newspapers. The next point is which items you like to read. The first point is I like to read the general knowledge and articles section from newspaper. It brings the varieties of new information from all over the world. Except newspaper, I don't think any other source can provide me such knowledge about my country and abroad. The next point is when you read it. Reading newspaper makes someone punctual. Every day I prefer to read it in early morning. Almost I read newspaper after my breakfast. The national and international news it circulates refreshes my mind and soul. What is your favorite newspaper? I read one English daily, the Indian Express. I also prefer to read one Odia daily, Samaj. Next point is how it helps you. Newspapers are very helpful to us. They are cheap and easily affordable by the poor people. They are handy means of mass communication. They are a real help to students, men, women, even all sections of the society. Now, merits of newspapers. Newspapers always guard the interest of the common man. They expose corruption, and publish news about the heinous crimes that take place in different corners of the world. Politicians get the latest news on current affairs of the country, whereas businessmen and companies expand their business by promoting their products. The sports news published in newspapers inspire the sportspersons of different regions. Humorous talks and news amuse children. Old and retired persons find pleasure in reading different types of news. Newspapers also help in growth of tourism sector. They provides idea and information about different tourist places. Advertisements of job vacancies fulfill the job requirement of job seekers. The different schemes and program initiated by government are published by newspapers. Demerits of newspapers. Newspapers have also negative effects. Sometimes they publish sensational news with a lot of exaggerations. Such news items create unrest and disturbances in the society. Some newspapers mislead the common man by publishing false and fabricated news, which lead to communal riots. Innocent people believe what they read in the column of newspapers. Therefore, newspapers should provide authenticate and genuine news to the people. Now, the conclusion. Newspapers are the strongest pillars of every country. They should always publish true news. They should be free from all types of pressure and influences. They should help in making a healthy, wealthy, prosperous, and developed nation. Thank you.